Name of the song is called Kingdom Come. Kingdom Come. Your will be done on earth as it is in heaven. That's all I'm asking for. That's all I want. I wish for a thunderstorm. I wish for the downpour. There already is one, it's invisible, yet even spiritual. Revelation, they're expecting it in the physical. I'm on the translation, within the transformation of a cursed metaphor. Reaches to my soul, seeping into my core. So I look up to the sun, the father child, my emperor, my inwardness, like a soft garment, residing inside me like those who pitch a tent. Here's my tithing, here's my tenth. Lord, in you I invest the talent you had given. While the wicked prefer to keep it hidden, make it rich as the vicious prefer to death wishes, which is the reason why I'm devoting my spirit's the firstborn. Death or life, I choose living. You're my new beginning. Thank you for the rain, for the hellfire, for the pain. Almost made me go insane, but you put me on the trial and the apostolic journey. 12 men of God-fearing. One for every hour of daylight. The other 12 in the shadows. Elders 4 and even 9 men of fame. Haven't got the gain in the true. See heavens, the sun rains. So, and forgive if I touch ground. It made me wanna knock a bitch out. Oops, I slipped out. Please don't get me flipped out or kicked out, cause I spit out from my mouth without doubt. There is no cloud. You can see me unveiled through everything. I'm coming through like the sun. I'm coming with the hell. I'm just saying, please understand me.